Hi everyone, this is Dr. Clint Sexton here with Naperville Integrated Wellness, and I want to talk to you today about a disease that's affecting millions of people, and it could be affecting you and you wouldn't even know about it because it's really a silent disease. So I want to go over 3 points here about this. The main points are that it's silent, it leads to chronic inflammation in the body, and leads to many health conditions. The disease we're talking about is diabesity. And the word diabesity is a combination of diabetes, which is a blood sugar problem, and obesity, which would be excess body weight. So the point is that you don't have to have diabetes or be obese to really suffer from the effects of diabesity. Really what it is, it's a problem of balance between blood sugar in the body and your insulin. Insulin helps you to get blood sugar into your cells. So if you want more details about the workings of that, go to the blog, go on the link and check that out. But I just wanted to give you the 3 points and tell you why this is important. So let's start with the first one, okay? The first point is that it's silent. You don't know that you have it. You don't know if you're having a problem with insulin. You don't know, you can't feel it, you can't see it. You don't know if you're having a problem with blood sugar. There's no, you're not gonna sense that. So first, it's silent. And it's really not being looked at or tested for in a way to catch this early. Usually these types of things are being assessed at the end of the spectrum, meaning when you now have diabetes. But this can go on for years and years and lead to many health problems. So the problem with that is that, to keep it really simple, is it leads to chronic inflammation in the body, okay? So I have a little prop here. So imagine this is acid, okay? And if you spray acid on your body, it would be irritating, right? That's how I like to explain inflammation. It's like acid on the body. It destroys cells. It interferes how cells work. It interferes with tissues, and this leads to disease. So what it does is it's leading to inflammatory processes. Now these inflammatory processes are a problem because they affect the way your body works. They can affect your brain. So if it affects your brain, you may have brain fog, and if it goes on long enough, it can lead to dementia and severe brain impairment. It can affect your cardiovascular system. It can affect your heart and your blood vessels, leading to heart disease or stroke. It can affect the balance of your hormones. In women, it can cause a big shift in hormones. In men, it can also cause a shift in hormones. It can affect the way your thyroid works. It can really affect any part of your body. And that's really the underlying issue with it, is that the blood sugar and insulin problems are leading to chronic inflammation, which is like spraying your tissues month after month, year after year, with a mild acid that's just disrupting how your body's going to work. It can't function normally, which then leads to all of these other disease processes. And what's common to all chronic diseases is chronic inflammation. Okay, so that's why it's so important. That's why it's so important to have it evaluated properly and identify this early on before it starts leading to these issues. So if you'd like some more information on this, check out the blog. Thank you for listening.